second power is interrupted, your generator will automatically start. This typically takes 20 to 30 seconds from the detection of a power outage. The utility company restores power, the generator will detect this and will automatically switch back to utility power. And then your generator will shut down. You don't have to do a thing. You don't even have to be home. Next time Northwest Indiana loses power, Chef Carlos won't miss a thing. He'll cook for his grandchildren, and life will go on uninterrupted. More power, more protection, more confidence. Crown Wheeler.